Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I'm Rohani. I'm from Desa Momen Baru. I'm 7th semester of English Department in Hamzan Wadi University. Now, I will explain about my proposal. And the title of my proposal, Teacher's Adaptation to Online Teaching, a case study of English language interaction in MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor. The first part of background of study. The problem context identified from the background study is the challenge faced by English teacher at MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor in adapting their teaching methods to the online format. The shift from conventional learning to online interaction, prompted by the COVID-19 pandemic, has brought about transformative change in English language interaction. However, the online teaching environment introduces new limitations in terms of student interaction and engagement, affecting, however, teacher-learner relations. Okay, problem context. The challenge faced by teachers in adapting to online learning include: first, active and participatory learning approach. 2. Emergency implementation. 3. Teacher adaptation. 4. Communication challenge. And 5. Assessment methods. Next, problem context. The research aims to conduct an in-depth case study to understand how English teacher at MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor confront this challenge, the strategies they employed, and the impact on student learning outcomes. The goal is to provide valuable guidance and recommendation for developing effective online learning approach in the context of English language interaction. And then focus of study. Number 1, subject. The subject of this research is the English teacher of MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor. Number 2, object. The object of this research in analysis of teacher adaptation to online teaching English teacher in learning English of MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor. Okay, next, question of the problems. Number 1, how do teachers at MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor adapt to the challenge of online teaching, particularly in the context of English interaction? Next, number 2, what are the main factors influencing the adaptation of teachers to online teaching methods for English interaction? Number 3, what are the perceived advantage and disadvantage of online teaching for English interaction among teachers at MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor? Number 4, what strategies do teachers employ to enhance the effectiveness of online English interaction at MTS Muallimat NWDI Pancor? Theoretical foundation online teaching. Technological pedagogical content knowledge. The text references the technological pedagogical content knowledge framework, which highlight the importance of integrating technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge for effective online teaching. And community of inquiry model. The community of inquiry model is introduced to stresses the significance of social, cognitive, and teaching presences in the online learning environment. Next, English language interaction. The first, evolution of teaching methods. The historical evolution of English language teaching methods is discussed, emphasizing a shift from traditional grammar translation and audiolingual methods to a communicative approach. And then communicative language teaching, or CLT. CLT is highlighted as a transformative approach that prioritizes communicative as the primary goal of language learning, and then innovative pedagogies and technology integration. The positive impact of technology, particularly computer-assisted language learning, call and mobile application, is discussed in fostering interactive and engaging English language learning environment. Okay, next, adaptive online teaching in English language interaction. The first, social learning and collaboration in adaptive environment. Social learning theories are referenced to emphasize the importance of collaborative activities in language acquisition. Adaptive online teaching platforms are seen as incorporating social learning features to enhance language skill through tailored collaborative experiences. Data-driven decision making. The use of data analytics to inform instructional decisions is highlighted, emphasizing the importance of leveraging data to continuously improve the adaptive teaching process. And then accessibility and inclusivity. The text emphasizes the need for adaptive platform to address different learning styles, preferences, and accessibility requirement to foster inclusivity in English language interaction. And then the research employed a qualitative approach which aims to explore and understand the meaning that individuals or groups attribute to a social or human problem. Okay, next, setting of the study. The present research conducted the research for the 11th grade of MTS Muallimat NWRI Pancor academic year 2023 until 2024. This study conducted on April until May 2024. The present research focused on adaptation online teaching for English teacher. The main factors influencing the adaptation of teachers to online teaching methods for English interaction. The perceived advantage and disadvantage of online teaching. Strategies do teachers employ to enhance the effectiveness of online English interaction. Okay, next, type of data. Data serve as the evidence collected by the research to tackle the research question. The focus lies on qualitative research data, expressed through words, sentences, and spoken language rather than numerical values. Next, source of data. Qualitative research draws data from various sources such as documentation, interviews, observation, audiovisual record, and physical artifacts. In this research, data was collected from participants and various sources. Next, data analysis. This section provides insight into the analytical procedures employed to address the research question using the collected data. The analysis encompasses the processing of information from interview transcript, observation notes, and document reviews, following the interactive model outlined by Miles and Huberman. And then, data reduction. In this section, the research outlined the assessment process applied to the gathered data. This involves a systematic approach encompassing selection, focus, simplification, and transformation of the information. Due to the vast and intricate nature of the data collected from interviews, observation, and document, a process of data reduction is employed to enhance clarity and usability. Okay, next. And then data display. Data display refers to an organized and condensed presentation of information that facilitates drawing conclusions. This method aids in understanding and taking action based on the data. In this study, the data display involves the use of concise notes, table, and narrative text to effectively communicate the findings. And then, conclusion drawing. Conclusion drawing, also referred to as verification, involves the research ongoing process of interpreting and assigning meaning to the data. From the onset of data collection, the research tentatively form conclusion while maintaining an open and skeptical mindset. However, final conclusion may not solidify until the conclusion of data collection. The data triangulation in this research is derived from interviews, observational notes, and document analysis, ensuring a comprehensive and well-rounded perspective. Okay, see you next time and thanks for watching. Sekian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.